Hello traders, today is the 15th of May 2024. We had amazing trade guys, especially all the young pair bank amazing profit. Let me share with you how I analyze the market, help all my traders to squeeze amazing profit. Let's look at the pound dollar first. As you can see here, as explained to my trader based on the 4-hour chart, and let me make it slightly bigger. So we've been long since the market has broken market previous high. We also had a long trade here this morning. We had nice, beautiful long trade here. We also had a counter short trade here. Let me share with you guys how I analyze the entries. If you look at my analysis, we've been long since the market beginning of this week. As you can see, that was a pretty straightforward breakout long. We have another beautiful pullback. Even this one, we had another beautiful long trade this morning and afternoon until the market hit to the profit target. As explained, my traders time to bank some profit. And after banking some profit, you can see here the market developed another structure, symmetry triangle pattern. This was the counter breakout short trade here. As soon as the market hit to the previous low level, as explained, tightening your stop loss or consider banking some profit. That was the beautiful trade here. So we have another beautiful trade on dollar yen. Let me share with you guys. Most of the pair had given us amazing profit. I'm just showing you only a couple of them. So if you look at the dollar yen, this is what exactly we were looking to break out opportunity. And if you look ahead, the market nicely respected many time. So we were looking at price action. We have another beautiful breakout. Market developer rising wedge, beautiful breakout this morning and bank amazing profit. All this pullback as soon as the market hit to the previous low level. We also had a counter long trade here. Now let me share with you how I analyze the entries and exits. If you look at my analysis this morning, as you can see here, 6:40 just before London Open, as you can see here, look for pullback. I also did another analysis after this analysis, but based on this analysis, you can see a market nicely developed pullback short. But I updated this analysis just to make sure trader don't miss this opportunity. We break out, pull back, bank amazing profit. And after banking profit, I said to my trader, look for another pullback, which you can see here previously. Beautiful. Another two pullbacks, bank few more pippies. Amazing trade, guys. And afterwards, once the market reverse, and as explained, my trader, market develop a double bottom here, nicely broken. Even after the market broken and retest, pullback, beautiful target hit. That's what explained my traders time to enjoy amazing profit. So we give all that information in real time alongside with the 4-hour analysis through live audio commentary and support. So guys, if you want to experience those analyses in real time, you want to bank at the same time, you want to learn the price action in real time, most welcome. Join our fast growing trader community, guys. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice evening. Until next time, all the best.